In today's video, I will be discussing To Kill a Mockingbird, a novel written by Harper Lee. It covers a wide variety of themes and topics such as integrity, growing up and maturing, social inequality, racism, as well as love and exception. The main characters are Scout, Jem, Tom Robinson, and Atticus. The story basically follows the timeline of a court case about an African-American man who was convicted of rape in the 1960s. And the timeline was honestly just unfortunate because back then racism was a huge thing. So even though he didn't actually rape the woman, he was convicted and sent to jail. And it was just extremely unfair. So it kind of follows the court case of all the jurors and all the judges and attorneys and lawyers who were involved in how unfair and biased the court case actually was. Integrity is represented in this novel in so many ways. First, Tom Robinson's defense attorney was actually Atticus Finch, Scout and Jim's father, and so he knew he was doing right to handle the case, but he didn't on the court case because he knew that he had to defend Tom Robinson because obviously he was innocent and he wanted to help him because he knew that there is a good side to humanity and he wanted to represent that. And so it follows the story of that. And she is very outspoken, and she gets into a lot of fights because of how outspoken she is. And so it basically just follows her character development as well as Tom Robinson's and Atticus's. It's a really inspiring story that can open your eyes to many things, and love is definitely a huge factor in the outcome of the novel because without love, Atticus wouldn't have represented Tom Robinson in the court case, and none of the outcome of the story would have been possible without Atticus because he was such an amazing